Hi, I'm Brent Hull with Hull Millwork and Hull Homes in Fort Worth, Texas, up here to do a window workshop in the city of Denton. So the point of this workshop is to help people understand that if they have historic windows or they have single pane windows, if they live in a historic house pre-1940, that just because they have old windows doesn't mean they should throw them out. They are a real defining architectural element, probably the most defining architectural element. And so to take those out or rip those out really changes the story, changes the narrative of the home, and just doesn't make any sense architecturally or energy-wise. It hits your glazing when I pull my knife across here, so I don't like using these. I would take my putty knife and I'd push that point into there. And when I get in the corner, I just pull up like that. Building really changes after World War II with the rise of Levittown and things like that. My focus tends to be, with my business in Fort Worth, tends to be on pre-1940 homes because I think they're more beautiful, I think they're better crafted, I think they're made better, and so and designed better. And so, you know, the whole idea of a cookie cutter mansions, that doesn't happen before 1940. That's a post-World War II phenomena. The charm and the beauty of these historic neighborhoods is even though you have a street or a row or a neighborhood of bungalows, they don't all look the same, and they convey a character and a charm. And the whole idea of a front porch, the whole idea of, you know, how open and inviting that is to a neighborhood really creates neighborhoods and really creates, you know, places that people love. And it's why people are attracted to historic houses.